Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I'd like to introduce how to figure out the area and perimeter of basic types of shapes with empty areas in their area, such as rings or squares with squares inside them. When you first see a ring, it may throw you for a loop in terms of how to analyze it at first. But if we stop to think about it, we can see that the area is simply nothing more than a circle with a smaller circle that has empty space inside it. So this means, in terms of an equation for the formula, it would be pi r squared like for a full circle, but minus pi r squared for the circle inside. And since pi is a common factor, we isolate it, so we get pi times large radius squared minus smaller radius squared. This technique will also work for any simple shape besides a circle that has a simple shape missing inside it. For example, you may have often seen squares where there is a second square inside it with a different pattern for a decorative look. And so, if that second pattern were empty space, we could state the area is the side length squared of the bigger circle minus the side length squared of the smaller circle. However, with basic shapes that have empty areas inside their area, this will not affect the perimeter of them, because we must remember that a perimeter is specifically defined as the outside measurement of a shape, and so therefore it would logically follow that the empty space on the inside of a shape would have no effect on the perimeter, provided that the empty space is not at the edges. Now that I've introduced you to the study of how to analyze 2D shapes with empty areas on the inside of their area, we can combine this new concept with all the other concepts we have learned so far to figure out the area and perimeter of very, very sophisticated shapes, such as the top fin of a shark, or curved objects that involve empty space explicitly, such as your eyebrows. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see the other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.